In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Integration Center in Monday.com fast and easy. So let's dive right in and make your workflow as seamless as possible by connecting your favorite apps to Monday.com. First things first, to begin this process, you'll want to navigate over to your profile. Simply look to the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile photo. It sits neatly in the corner, making it easily accessible and just a click away. Go ahead and give it a click. This is your gateway to personal settings and a host of other useful options. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select the option labeled Integration Center. It's here that the magic begins. The Integration Center is your hub for connecting a vast array of applications to Monday.com, enabling you to streamline tasks and integrate your business tools effectively. This center acts like a bridge, connecting your favorite apps together with Monday.com to create a centralized workflow that's efficient. Now, when you enter the Integration Center, you'll be faced with a wide selection of apps. It's like a treasure trove of possibilities, with symbols and logos representing numerous popular and useful applications. Here, you can browse through different apps to discover new tools that can enhance your Monday.com experience. Take your time to explore the options available. If you have a specific app in mind, you can also use the search bar for a quick find. Simply type the name and see if it pops up. Once you've found an app that you want to connect, click on it. This will open up a dedicated page for the app within Monday.com. Here, you will be guided with a series of prompts designed to help you set up the integration. Follow these instructions carefully. They're typically straightforward and user-friendly. These prompts are designed to ensure seamless connectivity between Monday.com and the chosen app. And they handle most of the heavy lifting for you. This setup process may involve logging into your account for the third-party app, granting permissions, or configuring certain settings to fit your specific needs. Simply follow the steps as they appear, and you should have everything connected in a breeze. It's all about tailoring the integration to fit your workflow. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps, and you've turned Monday.com into a powerful command center for all your essential apps. Remember, integrating your tools not only saves time, but also boosts productivity by minimizing the need to switch between different platforms. With everything centralized, you're all set to tackle your tasks efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the newfound ease in your workflow on Monday.com.